Also, Charlie mentioned Roku, and we're going to be watching cloud names this morning. We talked about Twilio, where it is as far as the 50-day is concerned. We got the 50-day right here at $100.20. Top of the channel is 103.60. So Twilio could move a few bucks. Other cloud names: Workday, WDay. That's a name that we watch. Workday above the 50. Close open theory, guys. Close open theory. We watch it. OKTA is another name. Got above the 100-day, and it is making a move currently. A little gap open, little baby gap there. Already filled, so that can go this morning as well. Already OKTA in about 6th place on our gainers list and moving right up to 5th. Yelp making a crazy move this morning.